Hello everybody, it's your girl, the Angel Cat here with another video. This is just an update video to prove I'm actually on vacation. I think I've recorded it in the living room before. And you've seen my kitchen before. It's not painted white, people. So there's proof I'm on vacation. It was like a 6-hour ride or something, but I'm happy to be here, and I was just making an update vid to prove that I was on vacation. So anyway, that's my grandma. Vacay. So I don't even know what I'm going to do in this video, honestly, which is the bad thing about it. Oh, yes. Best reaction to me coming in and say that. Oh.
Vacay.
Okay, but like orbiting the planet's reaction, I just yelled that and it's my mom. Yeah, best reaction. I don't like this chair. It makes me look shorter. Okay, I don't know. I wish Rock was on so I could apologize, but Rock will be on tomorrow. Oh, wait. No. Jelly Bean and Jaws are nice. That's serious. But, I don't need to know. Friends. And Jaws the rat. Jelly Bean. Meet a friend, Jelly Bean. Itchy. Oh, okay. Jelly Bean already had me friended. Now I feel like super bad for like listening. Anyways, it's her actually. I'm really being stupid today. Anyways, gonna go do a coloring vid. Bye, my little angels. Wait. Oh, great. I forgot the intro song. Well, this don't have an intro, people. Sorry. Like how it's really blur there, and it actually looks like something. Okay. Just do darker purple for this. I really should have gone on my tablet, but I'm not. Ooh. An idea. I could use like a. No, that's just gonna make it hard. Honestly. Okay, now let me try. Oh. Okay, that's way too much. Okay, let me try something. Mini good strawberries, if you guys heard that. No. Why is it so hard making characters? Oh, because I'm not on a tablet for one thing, and plus that ain't face shape. Okay. I will not fail this time. It seems like berry milk is actually good. Seems like I'm not, and seems like seems like Rock is actually kind of good too. Kind of good. Of course she's good. Look at my drawings right now. I'm trying to actually get a real face shape. Okay, I'll use this. /T, neither can I. Okay, so let's see. Morning times is yellow, so that's what she's drawing. rock, I can see her layer. See? This don't work because look, I can see your layer. It's yellow. Delete the layer. Delete the layer then. Okay. Okay. I'm bad at drawing. I think I'm just gonna do animated eyes for this. Even though this is a rough sketch, I'm just gonna make the eyes anime dot. Oh. Whoever just thought me being really stupid and do that. Yeah. Oh. Wow. No. No. Me. Me. Cause I can. That's why. Okay. This looks more like creepiness now. Okay. Creepiness is fine also. Just not what I was going for. Yeah. Cuteness overload. I'm thinking of doing a low opacity of this. I need another layer of mine. Oh. Ooh, that's sad. Okay. Just redo the eyes in a different layer. Okay, there. Now I'll use this layer to over color over it, and it doesn't have to be perfect, and it isn't gonna be. Okay. Trying to look at how many layers changing by doing this. I want to see these people struggle in this. On a computer, it's hard. Okay, now I'll do the eyes on. No, 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 no! Oh, phew. Had to reconnect me. Yeah. Fine, okay. Oh, that's Ariel, I think. Wow. I can tell, I think. She has red hair. I watch Disney movies. Who cares? Okay. Yeah. We need a new layer for this, though. It's for a video, though. So, we want it to be an ad. Because videos are cool. And yeah. And how big do I have to make this to be large enough? And yeah, but I get. Wait, I want someone to. I want to see if what they say if I ask them what is my heart. Thank you. Oh, I didn't mean to swap it. It's easier for me to do it this way. Whoa. Anita has to give you to be the best opacity. Yeah, oh. God. I'm gonna have to redo this again. Okay. Mine is 7 is 6. It's 5, 6, and 7. Mine's 5, 6, and 7. 2. Okay. It's gonna. Okay, there. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. Okay. Good. Good beans.